Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a small problem related to work energy principle. So let's look at the problem first. A body weighing 300 newtons is pushed up a 30 degree plane by a 400 newtons force acting parallel to the plane. If the initial velocity of the body is 1.5 meter per second and coefficient of kinetic friction is mu equal to 0.2, what velocity will the body have after moving 6 meters? Here 6 meters is displacement of the body moving. U equal to 1.5 meter per second, that's the initial velocity. Mu equal to 0.2, coefficient of kinetic friction as mentioned here. Let's look at the free body diagram of this block. Here 30 degrees, the force acting 300 newtons like this. So the two components are like this. This is 300 sin 30 degrees. This is 300 cos 30 degrees. Don't confuse here. Okay. Now the forces acting in vertical direction are N and 300 cos 30 degrees. Okay, here the body is moving in horizontal direction with respect to the plane in this direction, but not moving in vertical direction. The body is constant with respect to vertical direction. So the summation of forces acting along vertical direction is always 0. So sigma Fy, here Fy means in y axis, in vertical direction, Fy equal to 0. Here N is acting upward direction, so it is treated as positive, and the forces which are acting downwards are treated as negative. So here N is acting upwards, so plus N. Next, here 300 cos 30 is the force acting in downward direction, so minus 300 cos 30 degrees is equal to 0. From this N is equal to 300 cos 30 degrees is equal to 300 into, we know cos 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. 150 is there. 150 into root 3. 150 into 259.807. 259.80, it's enough. So N, the force acting in vertical direction, is 259.80 newtons. This is the first step in this problem, and we are going to second step. Here we are going to find the frictional force, that is F. We know frictional force F equal to mu N. Here mu, they are given 0.2 is equal to 0.2, and N we got 259.80. If we multiply this 0.2 into 259.80 is equal to 51.96. That is equal to 51.96 newtons. F equal to We have completed second step. In this problem, the third step is we are going to find V by using work energy principle. What is the work energy principle? The work energy principle is the system of forces acting along a direction is equal to change in kinetic energy during its displacement. This means the body is moving along this plane. In this plane, it is moving in somewhat displacement, that is 6 meters. The initial velocity is 1.5 meter per second. Here kinetic energy Ke is equal to half m v square minus u square, half mv square. Here there are initial and final velocities to find. So half m v square minus u square, this is change in kinetic energy. And next, the sum of the system. In this system, the object or the block is moving in horizontal direction. So the system of forces here are only horizontal forces. These vertical forces are summation is 0. So we don't consider these. We only consider these forces, horizontal forces. This one and 400 and F. So let's look at this. By using work energy principle, work done in horizontal direction is equal to change in kinetic energy. W equal to half m v square minus u square. So here W is equal to Fs. We know W is equal to Fs, half into, we know W equal to mg formula. From this, m equal to W by g. Half m is equal to W by g. So into v square minus u square. Here F is sum of forces acting along horizontal direction. Here the sum of forces. Here the forces acting towards right side are taken as positive and left side are taken as negative. Here 300 sin 30 is a horizontal force. It is acting towards left side, so it is taken as negative. Here F is also left side, so it is also taken as negative. But 400 newtons is acting towards right, so it is taken as positive. So minus 300 sin 30 minus 300 sin 30 minus F plus 400 into S. S represents displacement. Here displacement is 6 meters into 6 is equal to half into W. W is 300 weight, so half into 300 into, here by G is equal to 9.81 meter per second square, so divided by 9.81 into final velocity is v square. We have to find this one, v. U is given 1.5 meter per second. So u square is 1.5 meter per second square. So sin 30 is 1 by 2 minus f. Here f is 51.96 newtons. So 51.96 plus 400 into 6 is equal to half. Cancel 150. Okay. Minus 150 minus 51.96 plus 400 into 6 is equal to 150 by 9.81 into v square minus 1.5 square. Let's calculate this. Minus 150 minus 51.96 plus 400 is equal to 198.04. 198.04 into 6. 198.04 into 6 is equal to 150 by 9.81 into v square minus 1.5 square. So by calculating 198.04 0.6 1188.24 is equal to 150 by 9.81 into v square minus 1. So v square minus 1.5 square is equal to 1188.24 into 9.81 divided by 150. Into 9.81 is equal to divided by 150 is equal to 77.71. So v square minus 1.5 square is equal to 77.71. V square is equal to 77.71 plus 1.5 square. 1.5 square is equal to 2.25. Yes, 77.71 plus 2.25. V square is equal to 77.71 plus 2.25, 79.96. From this v square is equal to 79.76. This is not the answer. We want v. V is the final velocity. So square root of 79.96. Root of 79.96 is equal to 8.942. So the final answer, the final velocity is v is equal to 8.94. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.